Okay, here's another video in PC Builder, upgrading. So this email wants me to upgrade the graphics card and upgrade the RAM, and I haven't looked at it yet, so so I'm assuming he has 8 gigabytes. Yep, 8 gigabytes and 2400 T-Force. So I think I already have one of those. It might be a 4 gigabytes. Yeah, it's 4 gigabytes. So let's see, memory, team group. Okay, 8 gigabytes, 2400. Add to cart, but I also need to buy a better graphics card. So let's see which one he already has. Okay. So it's an MSI. Okay. And he doesn't say anything specific about it. So I'll go to graphics cards right here. MSI. And he had this one. No, he had this one. Okay. So give me a second and I'll find a different one. Okay, so I need to get this one right here. And now I'll do next day delivery. And I also have to remember to accept the email. So accept. Now I'll end the workday so I get the computer. There we go. Okay, yeah, so there's the computer and the parts. And we'll do the RAM first. So I gotta remove the case. This is one screw. Okay. And this should be easy. So memory, 8 gigabytes. Open the clips. There we go. Okay, now we have to replace this graphics card. So, whoops. I have to unplug it. Right there. And then unplug that. Okay, there we go. And now I can actually remove it. Okay, now I'll go to my graphics cards. Right here, this orange one. And put that in, and it fits perfectly. And then I don't think I removed any parts. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. But then I have to plug it back in. Right there. Oops. Okay, and then okay, so we upgraded the RAM and the graphics card. Then I gotta make sure it can boot up, and I'll put the case back on, and everything's working fine, so I can get this off the table and put it in here and collect my reward, and everything should be fine, shouldn't give me any errors. So okay, there you go, $800 just for that one, and I got a 4-star review. So that was fixing the RAM, but also replacing a graphics card in PC Builder, and thank you for watching.